What's up, everybody? Kyle here with Plainsmen Outdoors. It has been a hot minute, basically all summer. Lowest of spring and all summer. It is late September. Tomorrow's October 1st, opening day of the river antlerless private land only season, firearm season here in Nebraska. And I'm here. We got our buddy Stephon. This is his first time hunting ever. So we're going to get his first deer tomorrow. And Tyler and Aaron are on their way in a couple days. We're out here in God's country. And we are this is just the beginning of deer season for us. We're just going to harvest some meat. That's all we're doing. Doe harvest, just like last year. So anyway, guys, stick with us. It's going to be a little warm next couple of days, but we're going to get it done. And we'll see Tyler and Aaron here in a couple of days. But tomorrow, new man got an itchy trigger finger. Let's get it done.
Dude, dropped her like a bad habit, dude.
Oh, hold on. Wasn't recording. Yeah. Aaron, you showed up. Yeah.
Got my bottom line.
Yeah, you got your mossy oak bottom line green barrel on.
Green barrel. Yeah.
Tyler and Aaron made it. It's warm. We're gonna split up single. I don't have any tree stand arms. You could take it.
Take it.
You're sitting in a blind.
Sure.
Yeah. You're gonna hunt with Aaron tonight. Get wrecked. Yeah, you'll go hunting with Aaron tonight. Tyler's in a tree stand, I'm in a tree stand. I didn't bring any like camera arms or anything. And Stephon's going with Nate. Let's see if Tyler's sleeping. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Catching deers.
Slept in the truck all the way up here. This is my first night out here. It's pretty hot. It's pretty warm out today. We haven't been seeing much, but we're out here just to get some meat and kill some does. It's a great time to be out here. Just getting this chance to be out here on this amazing place. I have this amazing friend. I'm so excited because it's the start of the season. Someone just took a shot. It sounded like Kyle.
Well, boys, I was in a tree just about right over there. She was standing probably 50 yards, no, less than that, probably 40 yards right here in front of me. And went through the gate, and she's laying right there in front of us. Oh man, big old doe. Yeah, that's a nice size. That's a nice doe. Right through the boiler room. Right where we wanted. Can't kill deer with 223. Well, wrong. Is it ideal? No. Will I shoot one past 100 yards with it? Probably not. But it's a dead deer. Kind of feel bad because I was in the stand maybe 5 minutes when we've been hunting so hard. We decided to split up tonight. Nate took Stephon, Aaron's sitting in a blind, Tyler's in a tree stand, and I was in a tree stand. And we just kind of, not really drew straws, but just kind of, sit where you sit kind of thing. And this is actually the same stand I killed my big buck in last year. So I kind of feel bad. Tyler's already told me don't feel bad, but I kind of do. But it's good. It's good. Doe harvest 2023. Plainsmen Outdoors. Stick with us.
Yeah.
It feels pretty good to have first night success. Wow. It's meat in the fridge. There's meat in the fridge. Heck yeah, man. I got one. Kyle got one. What a blast. What an absolute blast. Just when I thought, man, I wasn't seeing anything, they just came right out. There was two of them standing right there. Man,
buddy. That's a lot of work. That's a bed full of work, boys. Isn't it? Sorry, Tyler.
The one.
You get to watch.
That's what I get for taking a gun. If I would have taken my
Oh,
bow,
yeah,
I would have been
yeah.
the one that killed and
Yeah,
nobody else would have.
yeah.
I know.
No, had to bring a gun.
That's awesome, guys.
Yeah.
We do have our work cut out for us.
Yeah, it's gonna be a light one. I killed mine in 5 minutes after being in the stand, which I felt really bad about. And then Stephon was with Nate way far away. I didn't even know you shot.
Neither do we.
No, yeah, I had no clue.
Yeah.
And then Aaron, I get a text from you. I was like, hey, I'm gonna get my deer, and you know, I'll come get you in a minute. And you text me back about 5 minutes later, stay away. And then you text me, BDD, big doe down. So, well, there it is, everybody.
Yeah, Stephon, first
Three
year.
does down.
3 doe.
Stephon first year.
Okay.
And Aaron got to break in his new rifle.
Yeah.
So.
Well, yeah, both 2 rifles, three rifles.
Christened.
Yes, christened all 3. But anyway, well, should we go get to work and
Hey,
maybe
let's get after it.
have a brewski or 12?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's do it. Plainsmen Outdoors, everybody.